Click on the link below to see price. OKMO 2000W Solar Generator. The OKMO 2000W solar generator is a good choice for those looking for an affordable and highly effective solar energy source. This solar power system has several key features, including a great battery. OKMO's G2000 battery is particularly efficient and features safety features such as thermal and short current protection. It also has an integrated system that monitors battery health and improves battery life. The battery is a long life type and has features similar to those found in modern electric vehicles. If you're looking for a small portable generator that provides reliable power for small appliances, you'll want to check out the OKMO 2000W solar generator. It has all of the features you need to power small appliances, including folding solar panels and a handle for carrying. The battery system also provides a high level of safety, with overcharge and short current protection. And with its ultra-high battery utilization efficiency, you can charge it in just a few hours. The OKMO G2000 has 10 output ports. You can use it to power everything from your computer to a 1200-watt fridge. The unit can even run your air fryer. Its battery is rated for 2,500 cycles and is built to last. The battery capacity of the OKMO 2000W solar generator is 2,220 watt-hours, WH. This means that it can support the power needs of a family of up to 4 people for 2 to 4 days. It is also powerful enough to power portable electronics such as mobile phones, tablets, and cameras. The 2000W solar generator is equipped with 10 output ports including fast-charging USB-A and C. It can also be used to charge other devices, such as laptops, mini refrigerators, portable ovens, and mini projectors. OKMO offers a variety of charging methods for its solar panels. It can be charged by using 100W solar panels, an AC adapter, or a car charger. This means that you'll be able to recharge it in as little as 6 hours. The OKMO 2000W solar generator is a great choice for anyone looking for a multifunctional outdoor power supply. It has a huge capacity of 2,220 watt-hours and supports 2000W rated power and 5000W surge power. OKMO 2000W solar generator is an excellent choice if you are looking for a high-quality and environmentally friendly generator for your home. Its large capacity will power several household appliances. This generator is equipped with folding solar panels and has handles on the sides for easy carrying. It also has a built-in cooling fan that automatically kicks in when an appliance uses more than 100 watts of power. OKMO 2000W solar generator is eco-friendly. It also features advanced S-Protect technology and a battery management system that is certified by UL. It also features a one-button design and a lithium battery pack. In addition, it includes a 30-day return policy and a 2-year warranty, so you don't have to worry about it breaking down in the middle of your project. Click on the link below to see price.